3 reasons why you need to try this anti-snoring device. Number 1, the soft medical grade material makes it comfortable to wear all night with no custom fitting required. Reason number 2, ZQuiet is prescription free and requires no doctor's visits or expensive sleep studies. And finally, number 3, it's the only snoring solution that attacks the root cause, soft tissue falling back in your throat and obstructing your airway. ZQuiet is FDA-cleared and doctor recommended. It even comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. You need to try ZQuiet.